other than his sense of
My client was selling the house, and basically the house is worth about $650. You can see right here. There are it's 1376 square feet. There's one that sold for $625. So adding a couple, it's about $650. We got 10 offers total.
Okay.
You can see here that we pushed a lot of offers during the process, so we have a lot of the offers coming in at 700, 720, 760. Okay, the offer that we picked was all cash, and basically my clients are going to have the house rent-free for 3 months. And not only that, but they have an all-cash offer, so they pretty much have the money in the piggy bank, which will help allow them to pay off their bills and upgrade their house and get an investment property.
We didn't think we could get such high offers actually, but Rich really did work magic. I mean, if they want to get 70,000 over asking and rent back, then
I guess he's your
yeah,
guy,
then
right?
you can have him. Yeah, he's.
First of all, how do we meet?
Well, when we were getting ready to put our house on the market, we did some research, and you're not very highly, and we actually interviewed 3 realtors, and we liked your style, your presentation, and your integrity.
Oh, thank you. So, did I meet your expectations?
Absolutely, you did. You did. I was not quite sure that you would, and you surprised me, and only because your approach seemed pretty aggressive, and it worked.
Right. I'm trying not to be too aggressive anymore.
Well, I don't mean that in a negative way.
So, we got a lot of offers, right?
We did, yes.
And we exceeded your expectations for the offers.
Absolutely.
We got above what you guys were expecting, and we're in the process of countering, so hopefully we'll get even more.
I think we will. Yeah.
Okay. So overall, were you pretty happy with everything so far?
Very happy. Very happy.
And you guys are really a pleasure to work with.
Oh, well, thank you.
Really enjoy
Yeah, that's
working
been
with you guys.
very
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Very quick, too, I will say. Very fast.
So you heard it here. We're finally closing a transaction. How long did it take?
It took I think about 6 months.
6 months. All right.
Yeah.
And tell us about the transaction.
I think the transaction went pretty well. The good thing was also that Rich helped explain the process and who were involved.
Okay. And it was a unique Bank of America program that was cutting edge, right?
Yeah, everyone felt comfortable and helped explain the situation to everybody.
Okay. And then also that the incentive was huge.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, Bank of America offered about $27,000.
Mm-hmm.
So that's pretty exciting stuff because they didn't offer any of that last year.
The short sale was the best situation that we could have gotten out of all the things that we've experienced. That was the only choice we had versus having closure.
Right. Okay. And so we were able to stop the impending foreclosure, get the sellers some big incentives from the bank, and we also helped you find good specialists like tax people, so you can answer some of the tax questions that you had, right? So overall, how would you rate your overall experience?
I think it was like an 8 or 9 out of 10.
It was well done. Beginning with 5 years, 2%. It's a fantastic.
What was your payment before, and what was your payment after?
Before 1842 each month. This is.
Why was it hard to work with other people?
Well, I guess people didn't know how to handle. Same thing, but somehow here it's so different. It all depends on the basic knowledge. You have so much experience and very thorough knowledge that makes difference.
Now his payment is reduced to about $950. So half of what he was paying before. And the total interest is 3.25. So unlike some modifications where it goes up to 5%, this modification goes to 3.25. So you feel that you can afford it?
Oh, yeah.
He's very, very smart guy. Nobody but Mr. Kwok, he's gonna do it. So when I heard that he's that difficult, so it's not easy to deal with him. But he decided, okay.
Actually,
I'm
one of the
gonna go.
realtors tried to sell his house, right? One
Oh,
of the
yeah,
realtors.
it's 3 months. The realtor, I guess the realtor was playing a game. I didn't know she was doing something, entirely something else. But I didn't know that when I realized I could go on with your help, it totally changed. So, well
We can
done.
relax a little better
Great.
choosing Mr. Kwok. So I knew he find the right man.
Congratulations, you just got your property.
Yeah, thank you.
How long have you been looking?
Oh man, at least 6 months.
6 months, and you got outbid by a lot of people, right?
Yeah, and then at that time I didn't have an agent, so I figure, you know what, I'll just go talk to you and see how it goes. And then after that, the first meeting, I'm like, okay, you're the one.
All right, awesome.
So you did it, man.
All right, so we basically were able to get 5 offers plus 2 came in for Wildflower, and this is round 1. We're still going to work on round 2 to push to the higher level. Julie, what do you think? How did we do? Did we do a good job?
Yes, I'm very happy with the end result. Hopefully, we will have a final offer by Saturday.
And
As long as my wife is happy.
that's the correct answer. So this is round 1. So we'll see what the final price is of this property, and we're going to play round 2. And it's my pleasure to always help my sellers get the highest price.